It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Hey.
Who has ever had a moonberry?
I didn't.
Not me.
Not me.
Me neither, because they're artificially flavored. We don't even know what a moonberry is. But black Twinkies looked kind of interesting. Are they going to be good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are they going to be bad?
No.
Taste it to find out.
Who wants to taste it and find out?
I do.
Can I help you open yours, Em?
Yeah.
That one's mine.
No, it's mine. That was yours.
Ooh.
I'm trying to get it out from the package. This one's sticky.
Is that sticky?
Yeah.
That blue stuff tastes pretty good.
What does it taste like, Em?
It's the temperature of chocolate. Wow. It's good.
That one kind of tastes like grape.
It's good, Mom.
Grape whipped cream.
All right, they're kind of blackish,
It tastes kind of like...
and they have slightly pinkish filling inside.
Tastes like strawberry yogurt, kind of,
They kind of look moldy.
with the good weird chocolate stuff on the outside.
What's their flavor like?
Chocolate.
Chocolate,
Kind of.
strawberry yogurt,
The filling tastes like strawberry yogurt, kind of like
and
that.
marshmallows.
It tastes something kind of like those, but then this kind of tastes kind of like chocolate, like a berry chocolate.
Does it taste like chocolate, or does it look like it should be chocolate?
Kind of tastes like it is. It does
It
not
looks
look like
like
it should be chocolate. Looks like it should be blueberry.
And this is the best part. Smile. Smile at us, Emmett.
Can you do this? Oh.
Wow.
So I guess you'll have to brush your teeth after eating them.
But they are pretty good.
That means a bake.
What?
It tastes pretty much like a regular Twinkie, but with a slight berry flavor. I don't taste chocolate at all. The cream filling is kind of just like regular Twinkie cream filling. And the outside has a very slight, maybe it's the inside, there's a very slight berry flavor. And
I
they
think-
smell slightly like berry. I haven't had a Twinkie in years. I don't even know when the last time I had a Twinkie was. I don't normally eat them. So if I were to eat this without seeing it, I'd probably think it was a regular Twinkie. It's similar enough. And there's not much other flavor to it.
This is my first ever Twinkie that I've ever had.
So, is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Bye, 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 bye. Bye.
Turned it blue. Bye.